Son, welcome to Wales, welcome to Cardiff. How are you and the team feeling ahead of tomorrow night's game against Wales?
Yeah, everyone is excited about it. The game, obviously, it's my second time. I've been playing here against Cardiff City, but look, it's away from home is always a difficult game, and we are expecting very, very hard game. But look, seeing on the pitch my friends, and will be very, very exciting time.
Yeah, I have to say there'll be a lot of interest from Spurs fans with this game. You've got yourself, your good friend Ben Davies, but of course your new teammate Brennan Johnson as well.
Oh yeah, actually, don't forget Joe Roden as well. So my closest friend. So yeah, I can't wait to see all the three players, Spurs players, and I hope we both have a good game and good entertaining game for both sides that all fans here can watch the game and enjoy it.
The Tottenham reunion, I have to ask, how was the train journey with Ben coming to Cardiff?
It was not bad. We were watching football because it was Sunday, so it was a good game on the TV. So we watched it together. So it was my first train journey. It was a good experience again. So I'm always I want to always have a new experience. So 3 days ago.
Ben telling you much about Wales? What to expect?
Not really.
We'll keep that one a secret.
Not really, but well, look, I mean, we are watching. We couldn't wait because I told him already, like when we started pre-season, we may play against Wales in September time. So he couldn't believe. So this is actually happening tomorrow. So we can't really wait about it.
Back to tomorrow night, Son. You're still looking for your first win under new boss Jurgen Klinsmann. Do you believe it can come tomorrow night?
Look, the last four games was a bit unfortunately because I think we dominated the game, all the 4 games, and some games we were winning and some games we totally deserved the 3 points, but we haven't. So obviously football is all about the results, but tomorrow will be very, very important that players take a big responsibility for away from home. Will be very, very good, the first win of the new boss.
And a bit like Wales, Son, you guys are in a bit of a period of transition as well. You've got some young faces coming through. It's an exciting time. Yeah,
I think obviously it's sometimes it's not easy to say, but when you have young players coming up, they're all a little bit shy and nervous because there is one of the best dream in playing for national team, but also the young kids. So it will be very, very important that they feel the pressure and they should enjoy it because the chances doesn't come often. So, I mean, like Wales, they have a couple of young players that they're very excited about it. So that's why I think tomorrow will be a very, very interesting game.
And you're very much in form for your club at the moment. You scored a hat-trick over the weekend. Are you looking to carry that forward onto the national team this week?
Look, I mean, the form obviously very important, but I want to enjoy playing football with my teams. Obviously, it's been a long because in the June time I was injured, so I couldn't make 100% effort. But tomorrow I'm really, really excited about it. So I will do my best and I will try to help my team.
And finally, how much are you enjoying the experience of being captain, not only of your country but your club as well? A lot of responsibility this season.
Yeah, I mean, I'm enjoying every single second. So I mean, when you have such a good group of players, even countryside, but also in the club side, when you have an amazing group, amazing players, it makes it so much easier for doing my job. So obviously, I'm not the type of guy who want to say a lot of things, but I want to always show to be a good example. To be disciplined. So I think. Look, I mean, this is big responsibility, but I want to do best for the club and for the country as well.
Son, appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thank you.